So normally when you work with absolute values, you're going to get two answers. Occasionally you get one answer if you just have equals 0 or you have no solution. Same thing here then. If I have the absolute value of something equals 9, I'm going to have what Alex calls two cases, two separate problems. Either the negative 2u minus 9 equals the positive 9, it's 9 places away from 0, or the negative 2u minus 9 could equal the negative 9. Both 9 and negative 9 are 9 places from 0. So I'm going to have two problems, and then I just solve my two problems like I normally solve any other equation. So adding 9, negative 2u equals 18, dividing by negative 2. Hey, u happens to be negative 9. Here I would add my 9, negative 2u would equal 0, and 0 divided by negative 2 is still 0. So when you put your answer in, you're just going to separate them with a comma and say, oh, I've got two answers, either negative 9 or 0 would make that a true statement. So on number 5, same thing would hold true. That's equal to a positive 10, so you're going to write down two separate problems. Either the negative 4w plus 6 could equal the 10, or negative 4w plus 6 might equal the negative 10. So if I'm going to solve the first one, what would I do? Subtract my 6, so negative 4w equals 4, then I would divide by negative 4, so w equals negative 1, right? On the second one, same two steps. If I subtract my 6, negative 4w would equal negative 16, and then if I divide, w equals positive 4. So negative 1 and positive 4 are both solutions to that equation. Now number 6, you'll see that this absolute value equals negative 8. Hopefully right away you look at that and say, oh, my answer is going to be no solution because an absolute value can't equal a negative number. So if this is by itself and there's a negative over here, I'm just going to click on that little box that says no solution right away and there's no work to do.